Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, hi, my name is Dana. I've been here on YouTube for more than 6 years, talking about tea, sharing a bit of my life. So if you haven't already, now is a great time to subscribe to my channel. And if you wouldn't mind giving this video a quick like, that would help me out as well. It's that time of the month to unbox our Sips by box, so let's just go ahead and do that and see which tea we want to try. Let's open it up. Looks like we have a different kind of postcard. 3 things to know this November. Oh cool, we get a $10 off of our $30 purchase. There's a virtual members only tea party, and it looks like they've been updating the shopping experience, which is cool. Here's our November teas postcard, made for Dana. I like to save this. I like to be surprised and look at the tea like it's a present. These guys are disposable tea filters. All right, so we have Miss Tea, Cinnamon Rose Black Tea. I'm pretty sure I've had this before and really liked it, drank through it real quick. So that sounds good. I love rose teas. I love a black tea with rose. It has some cocoa husk, some orange peel. Sounds awesome. Sounds like something I've had. This is, let's see, mamaki tea, an ancient Hawaiian tradition. Cool. So this is an herbal tea made with mamaki leaves in Hawaii. Antioxidant and mineral rich. I'm excited to try this. I've never even heard of this. So it's a new herb that I've never tried. So new to me, but obviously ancient. Mezclado de mate from Davidson's Organics. A yerba mate with cinnamon and orange peel, right up my alley. That sounds incredible. And a green tea called Renegade Life. Cool. Georgian loose leaf tea. And this is a straight green tea. Let's try the mamaki tea. I really want to learn more about it. So let's see what this is like and find out what we can learn about it, since it's something I've never experienced before. Let's get it steeping. If you need a tea infuser, you can buy one of mine on Amazon. I like the look of it, really fluffy and herby. All right, you know the drill. We'll let this steep while we check out the loose tea and everything there is to know about the mamaki tea. I want to do some research. I want to find out what mamaki tea is. So let's pull up Ancient Valley Growers website. And here's a good handful of information about mamaki tea. This herbal, caffeine and gluten-free tea is made from slow-dried leaves grown in Wood Ranch Valley, located on the Big Island of Hawaii. Hawaiian mamaki is known to support all organs and improve their functions, like balance hormones, blood pressure, cholesterol, sugar levels, and diabetes, improve digestion and metabolism, and ease the symptoms of asthma, allergies, arthritis, depression, irritability, and PMS. Oh, so they use Korean natural farming techniques. And this mamaki tea is grown in the nutrient-rich volcanic soil on the slopes of Mauna Loa. Our leaves are hand-picked and slow-dried to create the perfect cup of herbal tea. Wow, yeah, there's a lot here. There's some good minerals in it, like antioxidants, which you can never get enough. Beta carotene, calcium, magnesium, and potassium. So magnesium, that's a good one for sleep. So this would be a good tea for at night. What a cool farm. Oh, they have personalized tours. Ooh, so mamaki is a flowering plant in the nettle family, and the plant can thrive for upwards of 35 years. A single plant can live that long, which is really cool. I don't know the lifespan of a Camellia sinensis tea plant, honestly. I've never really thought about that. But to think the plant that this came from could be older than me is pretty cool. Okay, I think we can go ahead and remove our infuser. It's pretty. It's like the color of a green tea. So let's go ahead and sip it, see what it tastes like. It's really nice. It reminds me of something, but I can't put my finger on what. Like it doesn't have like that richness of a rooibos. It's more like vegetal, but it's not really like a green rooibos either. It does have like a really nice subtle sweetness, and it's really mild. It's not like too green tasting. Like it doesn't have like a really strong like vegetal greenness to it. But it has a really beautiful like mild sweetness that I'm really liking. Yeah, it's sweet. It's sweet notes. I think what I am kind of recognizing is like you know how in a rooibos tea you get that kind of mineral sweetness, like that mineral taste? It's that vibe. It's that, but a different herb, and it's such a mild, like mellow herb, and I really like it. I can't really remember if I've ever had like a straight nettle tea. I don't think so. I've had teas with nettle in it, but never just like a straight nettle tea. So I don't really have a frame of reference there because it is like, you know, similar to nettle. But yeah, this would be like a breeze to get through, like to drink every night. Like I think it's a really good alternative. Like you don't want to drink caffeine after a certain time, but this doesn't have like it's not chamomile, you know what I mean? It's not something that's like, okay, go to sleep now, like telling your body like time to like literally go to sleep, but it does have that magnesium, and magnesium can be like really calming and really nice. So a really nice after dinner tea, or if you're just like looking for an alternative, like you don't want the caffeine that's in like a Camellia sinensis, like typical tea, instead of going for like a decaf blend or a decaf like green tea that has had like that has had the caffeine like removed by like a chemical process, to go for something like this where, you know, it doesn't have like a crazy strong like intrusive taste to it. You know, it's caffeine free, but you still feel like you're drinking tea. Like you're not drinking flowers, you're not drinking, you know what I mean? Like it still is really a tea. And it's delicious. I mean, when I think of Hawaii, like I think of like coconut and pineapple and things. So it's cool to try something that's like from Hawaii, from a farm in Hawaii, but it's like so like I could imagine drinking this every day. Like this could be a really good like kind of straight tea alternative if that's something you're looking for. But it's always good to get in those extra antioxidants, that extra those extra minerals. I've been drinking mineral water since I came back from Italy, and oh my god, I just love it. So this Sips by Box, I like that they gave me a straight green tea and then this that's like a straight herbal tea, if that makes sense. The cinnamon rose black tea, I'm pretty sure I got in a Sips by Box at some point before, and I liked it, so I'm happy to see that again. Or something similar I've definitely had, and I remember enjoying it. And Davidson's Organics is just a really good solid brand. I love an organic tea. If you can get organic, that's probably the way to go. That one is a yerba mate with cinnamon and orange peel, all organic. And that's just like a perfect everyday kind of tea for me. Like I like this box. It's all stuff that's like things that I would really want to drink on a regular basis. So I'd say this is a pretty good one. You know, at first I was like, is it a little boring? Because there's like nothing that really stands out a whole lot. But then when I think about it, like these are the kinds of teas I like. Like I hate to like be boring, but I just like to drink straight teas every day. It's just my preference. I feel like Sips by is really like getting to know me really well and my preferences, because it's been really good boxes the last like 4 or 5 months. They've been like knocking it out of the park every time, and I love it. So thank you, Sip Spy, for again sending me an awesome personalized box of tea to enjoy through November. And we're getting into the holiday season, so it's cozy time. It's time to like buckle down, drink our teas, prepare for the cold weather. It's all good. So I hope that you enjoyed my Sip Spy unboxing for November. I hope that you and your families are all staying safe and healthy. I hope you're having a beautiful day, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.